All right, Dalton, this is one of the main trunks. In this room here, you can see we have one vent, two vents, and three vents. What's happened is there's too much air coming down here. And when we put the air condition at like 65 degrees or like 70 degrees, you can see how we were having water stains, but this was like really dripping a lot. This right here, this is 22 feet long, this trunk. So I want to open up the bottom of the sheetrock here, and then I want to wrap the insulation around it, and then my guys will come back, put the sheetrock on here. But I want to eliminate this one, and I want to eliminate that one, because I just want to have one vent in here, because if we close up those vents up there, it'll push more volume going upstairs where we're having a problem. The other thing too is you see this one is just a return vent. So this is blowing way too much air out right now. So we had the same issue with water. You can see there's like a little stain here. But in this room, when it was like 60 degrees, there was water all on the ceiling, which I have a video of. So the same thing, I want that register needs to be an operatable one. Or what we'll do is, cover up half of this, so that maybe you only have like a little bit blowing out here and not the whole thing, because we're losing a lot of velocity. That was 6 feet long. This trunk down here, we don't even have there are no heat vents in here. So we need to add a heat source somewhere in here, but this sheetrock has to come down as well so that we can put the insulation around this. And this was 18 feet long. So 22 plus 6, which is 28, plus 18 is 46 linear feet. Now what's happening is downstairs it's nice and cool. Up here it's warmer. So we have the temperature set at 78. It's 78 degrees up here. Downstairs it's got to be like 65. It's really cold. And because of that main trunk that's in the front, we're only having like a little bit of air come out of here. And once we seal off those two vents, it should push out a lot more now to push the cold air up here. So I need that to be addressed. There's a big temperature difference. Additionally, this is the old blower. They have a new unit here, but this wall-mounted pan, once the pump goes on to get the condensation line on, once the water's out, it doesn't stop, and the motor just keeps grinding and grinding. So you gotta tap it on the side to stop it. I don't know what you need to know about part size, so I'm just going to take it, let you see what this is. But this is all that it is. I don't know what else you need to know there. So we need to get that thing replaced. The address here is 29 Peachtree Road in Oakhurst. I'll send you the address.